Welcome. Today, we're diving into the basics of Social Security, and, more specifically, the Social Security Statement. If you've ever wondered what this document is, why it matters, or where to find it, you're in the right place. Social Security is a government program that provides financial support to retirees, disabled individuals, and survivors of deceased workers. The Social Security Statement is a key document that helps you track your earnings and estimate your future benefits. Let's start by understanding what this statement is all about and why it's important for your financial planning. A Social Security Statement is an official document provided by the Social Security Administration. It summarizes your earnings history, the amount of Social Security taxes you've paid, and provides estimates of your future retirement, disability, and survivor benefits. This statement is designed to help you plan for your financial future by giving you a clear picture of what you can expect from Social Security. Understanding your statement is essential because it allows you to verify your earnings record and ensure you're on track for the benefits you deserve. You might be wondering why you should care about your Social Security statement. Well, this document is crucial for several reasons. First, it helps you verify that your earnings have been reported correctly, which directly impacts your future benefits. Second, it provides estimates for retirement, disability, and survivor benefits, helping you make informed decisions about your financial future. Lastly, reviewing your statement regularly can help you spot errors early and take action to correct them, ensuring you receive the benefits you're entitled to. Not everyone receives a paper Social Security statement in the mail anymore. In the past, the Social Security Administration mailed statements to most workers, but now they primarily provide them online. Generally, if you are age 60 or older and not yet receiving benefits, you may still receive a paper statement. For everyone else, accessing your statement online is the standard method. This shift to digital access makes it easier and faster to review your information whenever you need it. Accessing your Social Security statement online is straightforward. You'll need to create a personal account on the Social Security Administration's official website, known as My Social Security. Once your account is set up, you can log in at any time to view, download, or print your statement. This online access is secure and convenient, allowing you to keep track of your earnings and benefit estimates from anywhere, at any time. To get started, visit the Social Security Administration's website and look for the My Social Security sign-up page. You'll need to provide some personal information to verify your identity, such as your Social Security number, address, and answers to security questions. Once your identity is confirmed, you'll create a username and password. This process is designed to protect your information and ensure that only you can access your statement. The Social Security Administration takes your privacy and security seriously. When you set up your online account, you'll encounter multiple layers of security, including strong password requirements and sometimes two-factor authentication. These measures are in place to protect your sensitive information and prevent unauthorized access. Always remember to keep your login details safe and never share them with anyone. Once you access your Social Security statement, you'll find several important sections. The statement includes your earnings record, which lists your reported income for each year you've worked. It also provides estimates of your monthly retirement, disability, and survivor benefits based on your current earnings. Additionally, the statement shows how much you and your employers have paid in Social Security taxes over the years. The earnings record is one of the most critical parts of your Social Security statement. It lists your annual income as reported to the Social Security Administration. This record is used to calculate your future benefits, so it's important to check for accuracy. If you notice any discrepancies or missing years, you should contact the SSA to correct your record. Keeping this information up to date ensures you get the benefits you've earned. Your Social Security statement provides an estimate of your monthly retirement benefits at different ages, such as 62, full retirement age, and 70. These estimates are based on your current earnings and assume you continue working at the same income level until you reach each age. Reviewing these numbers can help you decide when to start taking benefits and how to plan for your retirement. In addition to retirement benefits, your statement includes an estimate of disability benefits. If you become unable to work due to a qualifying disability, these benefits can provide crucial financial support. The estimate is based on your earnings record and can help you understand what support would be available if you ever need it. Your Social Security statement also provides estimates for survivor benefits. These benefits are paid to your family members if you pass away. The statement outlines what your spouse, children, or other eligible dependents could receive. Understanding these numbers is important for planning your family's financial security. Another section of your statement shows the total amount of Social Security taxes you and your employers have paid over your working life. This information can be eye-opening as it highlights your contributions to the system. It's a good reminder of how your earnings and taxes are connected to your future benefits. It's important to review your Social Security statement for any errors or omissions. Mistakes in your earnings record can affect your future benefits. If you spot something that doesn't look right, gather supporting documents like W-2 seconds or tax returns, and contact the Social Security Administration to get it corrected. Staying proactive ensures you receive the benefits you've earned. You should check your Social Security statement at least once a year. Regular reviews help you catch errors early and keep your records up to date. By making this a yearly habit, you'll have peace of mind knowing your information is accurate and your future benefits are secure. While paper statements are still sent to some people, especially those over 60, the Social Security Administration encourages everyone to use the online system. Online statements are updated more frequently and are always available when you need them. Plus, going digital is more environmentally friendly and reduces the risk of lost mail. If you forget your My Social Security account login, don't worry. The website has a simple process for resetting your username or password. You'll need to verify your identity again, but once you do, you'll regain access to your statement. Keeping your login information in a safe place can help you avoid this hassle in the future. If you have questions or need help with your Social Security statement, you can contact the Social Security Administration directly. They offer support by phone, online chat, and even in person at local offices. Having your Social Security number and relevant documents handy will make the process smoother. Your Social Security information is sensitive, so it's important to keep it secure. Never share your Social Security number or account login details with anyone you don't trust. Be cautious of scams or phishing attempts that try to steal your information. The SSA will never ask for your password or personal details via email or phone. If you discover an error in your Social Security statement, act quickly. Gather any supporting documents, such as pay stubs or tax returns, and contact the SSA to report the issue. The sooner you address errors, the easier they are to fix, and the less likely they are to affect your future benefits. To correct an error, you'll need to provide proof of your earnings for the year in question. This could include W-2 forms, pay stubs, or tax returns. Submit these documents to the SSA, either online, by mail, or in person. The SSA will review your case and update your record if necessary. Once you submit your correction request, it may take several weeks for the SSA to review your documents and update your record. Be patient and keep copies of everything you submit. You can check your online statement to see when the correction has been made. Your Social Security benefits are calculated based on your highest 35 years of earnings. The SSA uses a specific formula to determine your monthly benefit amount. This calculation takes into account your average indexed monthly earnings and applies a formula to arrive at your benefit. Knowing how this works can help you plan your career and retirement more effectively. Full retirement age is the age at which you can receive your full Social Security retirement benefits. For most people, this age is between 66 and 67, depending on your birth year. Claiming benefits before this age results in a reduced monthly amount, while waiting until after full retirement age can increase your benefit. You have the option to start receiving Social Security benefits as early as age 62, but your monthly amount will be reduced. On the other hand, if you delay taking benefits past your full retirement age, your monthly benefit will increase up until age 70. Understanding these options can help you make the best decision for your financial situation. If you continue working while receiving Social Security benefits before reaching full retirement age, your benefits may be temporarily reduced if your earnings exceed certain limits. Once you reach full retirement age, you can work and earn as much as you want without affecting your benefits. This is important to consider when planning your retirement income. Social Security isn't just for workers. Spouses, ex-spouses, and dependent children may also be eligible for benefits based on your record. Your statement provides information about these potential benefits, which can be an important part of your family's financial planning. Your Social Security statement also includes information about Medicare, the federal health insurance program for people aged 65 and older. The statement explains when you're eligible and how to enroll. Understanding Medicare is essential for planning your healthcare in retirement. Your Social Security statement is a valuable tool for retirement planning. By reviewing your benefit estimates and earnings record, you can make informed decisions about when to retire and how much income you'll need from other sources. Combine this information with your savings, investments, and other retirement accounts for a complete picture. Besides retirement planning, your Social Security statement can be useful for other purposes. For example, you might need it when applying for a loan, mortgage, or certain government benefits. Lenders and agencies may request proof of your estimated Social Security income. If you receive a paper Social Security statement, store it in a safe place with your other important documents. If you use the online version, make sure your account is secure and your login information is protected. Keeping your statement safe helps prevent identity theft and unauthorized access. If you've never worked or haven't earned enough credits, you may not qualify for Social Security benefits on your own record. However, You might still be eligible for spousal or survivor benefits based on your spouse's work history. Your statement will explain your eligibility and options. To qualify for Social Security benefits, you need to earn enough credits through work. In 2024, you earn 1 credit for every $1,640 in earnings, up to 4 credits per year. Most people need 40 credits, or about 10 years of work, to qualify for retirement benefits. Your statement shows how many credits you've earned so far. If you're self-employed, you still pay Social Security taxes through your self-employment tax. Your earnings are reported to the SSA, and your statement will reflect your contributions. It's important to file your taxes accurately to ensure your earnings are properly credited. If you worked in another country, your foreign earnings may not count toward your U.S. Social Security benefits, unless there's a totalization agreement between the U.S. and that country. Your statement may include information about how international work affects your benefits. Check with the SSA for details if you have foreign work history. Even if you're early in your career, your Social Security statement is still important. It helps you track your earnings and credits and provides an early estimate of your future benefits. Reviewing your statement now can help you plan ahead and avoid surprises later. If you're approaching retirement age, your Social Security statement becomes even more valuable. It provides detailed estimates and helps you decide when to claim benefits. Use this information to coordinate with your other retirement income sources and create a solid retirement plan. If a loved one passes away, their Social Security statement can help survivors understand what benefits may be available. The statement outlines potential survivor benefits for spouses, children, and other dependents. This information can be a crucial part of your family's financial support during a difficult time. If you become disabled, your Social Security statement provides estimates of the benefits you may receive. This can help you plan for the unexpected and understand the support available to you and your family. Knowing your options ahead of time is always beneficial. Your Social Security statement is updated annually, reflecting your most recent earnings and contributions. Checking your statement each year ensures your record is accurate and up to date. This habit can help you avoid surprises when it's time to claim benefits. If you need a physical copy of your Social Security statement, you can easily print it from your online account. Just log in, download the PDF version, and print it at home or at a local library. Having a printed copy can be useful for record keeping or when applying for loans. You can also access your Social Security statement on your smartphone or tablet. The SSA's website is mobile-friendly, making it easy to check your information on the go. This convenience means you're never far from your important financial details. Many people have questions about their Social Security statement. Common topics include how to read the statement, what to do if you see an error, and how to estimate your future benefits. The SSA website has a comprehensive, frequently asked questions section to help you find answers quickly. Staying informed about your Social Security statement and benefits is key to good financial planning. Make it a habit to review your statement regularly, keep your information secure, and reach out to the SSA if you have questions. Being proactive today can help you secure your financial future. To sum up, your Social Security statement is a powerful tool for understanding your earnings, planning your retirement, and ensuring you receive the benefits you've earned. Make it a point to check your statement each year, correct any errors, and use the information to make smart financial decisions. Your future self will thank you for staying informed and prepared.